Hello there guys, this is Jack One Day Talking here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask with a filter pocket. So what you'll need is 3 pieces of cloth, a big one which is 14 inch by 8 inch, and then 2 pieces of fabric which is 4 by 3 inch, as you can see. So what you want to do is zigzag stitch all the edges to stop fraying before you start, and then you're going to need obviously a sewing machine, scissors, and all your other bits and bobs. In the description we'll have the full list of what you'll need. So then you'll need to fold over the top edge, which is 8 inch side by 1/2 inch, and stick a nose strip inside like I am right now, and then sew along the edge with a straight stitch to basically make a pocket for the nose strip. So yeah, I'm going to use a iron just to basically make the creases more sharp. So yeah, just fold it over like I've done twice, just so it's like creates a little pocket for the nose strip, and then use your little iron to iron that up so it's more creased. So as you can see, I'm just doing a straight stitch along the pocket. So now that's stitched up, give it a cut, and then go on to the other edge, 8 inch side, fold that again just like you've done in the other side, like so. But obviously on that side you're not putting a nose strip because you only need one, and there you go. So now what you need to do is fold the fabric over to make a pocket and iron along the bottom. So as you can see, I've just folded it over and leaving a tiny little gap at the top, and then using the iron to make the crease. So now what you need to do is get your interfacing for a filter and insert it into that pocket we're about to create. I'm just going to give it a quick iron so it's all flat and smooth, and then fold that back over so it's now inside. Now what you need to do is obviously flip it over, pick the side you want to create the folds in. So I'm going to make 3 folds in the fabric like so. It's kind of like a little fan, sort of. If you used to make a paper fan, you're kind of doing that with the fabric. So it's quite a flimsy job, but as you can see, this is how it's done. So once you've got the 3 folds in the fabric and you've measured it and it's about 3 inches, just go over it with the iron to make sure the creases are proper creased up, and then use your sewing machine along the edges to hold that in place. Just both edges like so, just like you're being shown right now. So what you want to do next is take your small pieces of fabric and place on the end of folds and sew wrong side together. So as you can see, I've got it faced up where it's like the pale side, and then flipping it round, holding onto it, and then just bending the excess around the edges like so. So keeping it that way up, take it over to the sewing machine and sew it along the edges, just on that little bit, and do the exact same process on the other side. So flip it over, get your piece of fabric, make sure it's pale side up, fold, fold, and then sew straight line across the edge. There you go. The next step is to fold back to make your side section for the elastic pocket. So as you can see, it's just folded twice and then taken onto the sewing machine and straight lined again. So I'm going to do the same on the other side, fold, fold, and then there you go. So as you can see, here is basically the finished product. All it needs now is some elastic in the pockets on the side, so it can obviously hang over the ears, or you can get one massive piece of elastic and it can go from one side to the other and then go all the way across your head rather than having it on your ears. So as you can see, there's a little pocket that you can slit the air filter in, and you can also take that out, wash it, replace it, and that's what's great about this product. So what I'm going to show you now is how to put the elastic in. I'm just using a needle, threading that through the loop and then into the pocket. It's just an easier, quick way to get it through. And then once you've done that and you've got the 2 pieces of elastic in, what you want to do is obviously tie them together or sew them together so it makes a hole. But before that, I'm just going to put the filter in, just so you know how to do that. So I'm just grabbing the filter, sticking that inside like so. What's great about this is just you can always replace them, buy new ones, wash it, take it out for washing, and because it's fully cotton, it's going to last a while, and it's really personalized product, so you can obviously use fabric that you find very interesting, or has some sort of meaning to you. So as you can see, what you'll do is just get the sewing machine, just quickly sew the elastic together, but you want to make sure it's the right length for your sort of like face shape and ears. And then yeah, obviously just sort of where you've joined it together, turn it so that joint bit is inside the pocket and you're not going to see that, just so it looks better. Or you can just do what I've just done there and tie it without doing so, but obviously it all depends on what you want to do. So here's the headband one, so I can see it just goes around the full head, as you can imagine, rather than having it over the ears. It's personal preference how you want to have it. But anyway guys, here's some quick pictures of the finished product. It bends quite nicely around the nose with that nose strip in it, covers the nose and the mouth, and yeah, it's just a very customized cool product. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on the video. If you don't want to make one, go to the description, click on the link and you can buy one that's already made. Bye for now.